he only played one. Coming down another fish. Wow. Big. Out of here. Nice job.
Let him go, okay? Hold him. Gotta figure out how to do the angle on him. Okay, now just let him go.
Keep going, keep going. When you get caught on that fish, he's taking off. Keep the rod up.
Okay, get ready up high, up high.
Rod up. In front of me?
Yeah. No, lift up high. Get your arm straight up in the air. Straight up. Get him up high.
Yeah, that's a nice fish, man.
Right there, Michael.
Yeah, that's a good fish. Look at that thing.
Nice fish.
Dang.
That's a big one. Can I go underneath?
Yeah.
Good job, Bruce. Oh my God, I almost fell.
Holy cow. Keep tension on it. If you come slides up, you gotta reel, okay? We'll probably do the same thing. Go, you gotta reel. Don't let it get loose.
Why does he have it so
Go,
high?
go, 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 go. Let go, let go.
Trish, get a picture. How can we get across? Look at Bubba. I did get a picture. Go, Bruce. Is this a specific fish he thinks he's catching?
There has been a fish that's been sitting up in this water that we've been trying to catch.
Reel, reel, reel. Go, go, go. Don't let it get loose.
Uh-oh.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, I see him. Get him, Ryan. Holy smokes. Get him, Ryan, quick.
Yes!
Woo! Is that the one? Come on, let's go. No.
Hold him up, Brian.
Let's go. Oh, we gotta get down there and picture.
No way. Look at that guy.
Hand off that reel.
Nice big fish.
Nice shot, dude.
Fish.
It's a nice fish. He's coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Nice fish.
Two thumbs up.
Nice. Two thumbs up.
That little teeny fly too. That's
Fish that we've gotten today.
There we go. How's that? Get on camera here.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous fish.
Talk's done.